Hi guys, with another video. Today I'm gonna show you how you can solve the problem of Samsung Galaxy S7H, which has black screens. I would like to show you how you can solve this problem. First, what you're gonna do, first try to hold the power right here. Hold the power 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it didn't work out. Now let's try the second option. If it doesn't work, try with the power. And now we're gonna do another one, power and volume up button. This is the power, this is the volume up, and push it and wait again 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it didn't work, this option also, volume up and button. Power button and volume up button. So third option is power, volume up, home button. Power, volume up, home button. Let's push it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is not work either. Now we have another option, that fourth one, and power. You're gonna push the power and volume up and volume down and home button. Let's do everything with this finger. I'm gonna push the both of them, and then this finger, and I push the home button, and then home button and power button, and then I will push the home button together. Let's go ahead and try it. One, two, yes, this is the way it works. And what is the works? And volume up, volume down, home button and power button. And what happened? Black screen, it's gone. This is the black screen solution for Samsung Galaxy S7H. So hopefully this video helpful to you guys, and please subscribe, and see you soon with another video. Once again, this is the Samsung Galaxy S7H. It has a black screen. Now we find the solution. I just show you how you can solve your problem. So thank you for watching, and bye bye.